County in northeastern Illinois, northwestern Lake County in northwestern Indiana, until 8:30 p.m. At 7:47 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Homewood or over Glenwood, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Munster and Billiton around 7:55 p.m. Calumet City and Burnham around 8 p.m. Hammond and Whiting around 8:05 p.m. East Chicago around 8:10 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include East Hazel Crest, South Chicago, and Riverdale. This includes Prairie State College and South Suburban College, including the following interstates: Interstate 80 near mile marker 155, Interstate 90 between mile markers 105 and 107, Interstate 94 between mile markers 65 and 74, Interstate 294 between mile markers 65 and 74, Indiana Interstate 90 between mile markers 1 and 8. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. The following is
basically, but a little bit bigger. How do you feel when you see the house under construction? Saints who have pleased you throughout the ages, we may merit to be co-heirs to eternal life and may praise and glorify you through your in the all
47 p.m. A severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Homewood or over Glenwood, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be named.
Wrinkles send the wrong message.
Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Munster and Billiton around 7:55 p.m. Calumet City and Burnham around 8 p.m. Hammond and Whiting around 8:05 p.m. East Chicago around 8:10 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include East Hazel Crest, South Chicago, and Riverdale. This includes Prairie State College and South Suburban.
graciously grant peace.